Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace Almighty Allah. Now I am going to start today's recorded class, chapter 2, page number from 35 to 38. Okay, today's topic is Ahkam and Arkan of Salat. Today we will discuss Ahkam and Arkan of Salat. It is a very important topic. It is mandatory to know if I perform Salat. As a Muslim, we have to know. You know that Ahkam, it is a word. Ahkam, it is a word. It is plural word. It meaning hukum. You know hukum, what is hukum? We always use as a Bangla hukum. Okay, it's hukum, that's hukum. Okay, it's come from hukum. Plural form of hukum is ahkam. Okay, arkan meaning pillars. Okay, pillar. Arkan is singular form is ruknun. Okay, ruknun means single pillar. Okay, so we'll know hukum and rukun of salat. If I say according to Quran, before beginning of salat, in the mid of salat, there are some words to do. These are preconditions. Salat, that means namaz, will not be perfect if any one of these is filled out. There are compulsory force action activities for salat. These are divided into two sections. Number one, ahkam and arkan. Now we will underline beginning salat. I will underline till. Okay, there are preconditions. Salat will not perfect if any one of these is fell out. There are compulsory force action underline here. Okay, we'll underline. Okay, now I'll discuss ahkam. About ahkam. Ahkam is the compulsory action activities which are required to be done before starting salat. Okay, underline here. You will get in your exam what is the definition of ahkam. You have to write the compulsory action before starting salat. Okay, what kind of work you have to mandatory before performing salat, that is called ahkam. Okay, ahkam. Now will I know what is our ahkam. Okay, number one, the condition are 7 in number. Okay, there are 7 condition ahkam. That means if we want to salat, if we want to prayer, so you have to keep 7 condition before attending salat. Number one, purity of body, physical cleanness. Okay, purity of body, physical cleanness. We can pure our body physical by bathing, by ablution, that means wuju. Okay, number two, you have to clarify, you have to pure your cloth. Okay, you have to wear cloth. Number three, cleanliness of the place where namaz is offered. Which place you will perform salat, you will perform namaz, this place you have to park. Okay, cover satur. Okay, cover satur, you have to wear the little of satur. It is called according to male, from navel to lower part of ankle. It is the suture of the male. Okay, and for female, entire body excluding face, wrist of hand and toe. Okay, these without entire body including face, okay, whole body, but including face, wrist of hand, toe of legs. Okay, number 5, to face the qibla, you have to in front of qibla. Okay, where you live. Number 6, walk a fixed time for salat, you have to perform salat on time. Okay, number 7, niyat for intention. Niyat meaning intention to offer salat, offer namaz. Before starting salat, we will do a niyat. Okay, just that I'm studying salat, it's one kind of niyat. Okay, have you got? I hope you have got. You will memorize 7 condition of ahkam. Okay, now will I discuss arkan. Okay, that means in Bengali bhitti samo. Okay, there are some forced activities that should be done in the midst of salat are known as arkans of salat. Underline. The number of arkans are 7. Also, arkan, condition of arkan also 7. Number 1, beginning of salat, saying takbir taharima. Takbir taharima means saying Allahu Akbar. Okay, Allahu Akbar. We will start by saying Allahu Akbar. It is called takbir taharima. Another name of Allahu Akbar is takbir taharima. If I question in you, what is the takbir? You will say, to say Allahu Akbar, it is takbir taharima. When will I say takbir taharima? Before starting. When will I start? By saying Allahu Akbar, we will start our salat. Okay, our namaz. Okay. Next, number 2, saying prayers, offering salat in standing position. Both male and female should offer their namaz in standing. Who are not sick, you have to stand. You should perform salat by standing. Okay, the number 2. Okay, but who are sick, won't be problem. He will able to he can sit. Okay, no problem. Number 3, qiraat or recitation from the Holy Quran, surah or part of surah. Okay, you have to recite recitation the Holy Quran. Okay, suppose Surah Fatiha, you have to Surah Fatiha, it is mandatory. After finishing Surah Fatiha, you have to recite another any kind of surah, at least minimum of 3 bars. So if you recite little surah, you can recite, but you will recite large surah, long surah, at least you will you can recite at least 3 ayat. Okay, to go to ruku. Number 4, to go to ruku. In the namaz have a ruku sijda, right or not? Okay, number 5, sijda, you have to do sijda. Okay, to bend down or sijda, we'll say in sijda subhana rabbiyal ala. In ruku we'll say subhana rabbiyal azim. Number 6, to sit on the last sitting position. The sitting in which salat is completed by reading tashahud, durud, dua masur is called last sitting. And last sitting we have to recite tashahud, durud, tashahud, that means attahiyatu. Okay, Durud Sharif, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa Musra. Okay, it is called last sitting. It is called, what is called to read Tashahud, Durud and Dua Masura. What called is last reciting. Okay. Number 7, paying salam to conclude the salat. You have to pay salam, then will be finish your salat. Okay, you have to obey mandatory and very carefully. Okay, so what will I know? We shall perform salat namaz very careful. We should have, we should be and would be careful about first item. One of the items cannot be dropped. Salat will not be perfect unless the compulsory conditions are fulfilled. Underline here. Salat will not be perfect unless compulsory conditions are fulfilled. Okay, missing of any compulsory action will spoil the salat. Then salat would have to be done again. Okay. Underline. If you miss any compulsory salat, underline. Okay. Now will I discuss, now will I learn wajib of salat. What are wajib in salat? Okay. Wajib means bounden duties. It is the near to force. Wajib is a very, very important. It is also compulsory, you can say mandatory. Okay. Wajib means bounden duties. The position of wajib is immediate after the force. Salat will not be perfect on wajib miss or drop willfully by somebody. The wajibs of salat are followers. There are 14 wajib. Okay, we'll memorize this wajib inshallah. Okay. Okay. Number 1, recitation of Surah Fatiha. It is first wajib, recitation Surah Fatiha. Number 2, recitation another surah. Okay, along with Surah Fatiha. After finishing surah, you have to mix another surah. Okay, number 2. Number 3, to maintain consequence when farz and wajib salat are performed. Okay, you have to maintain rules of salat regulation. Number 4, standing up stays after ruku. After finishing ruku, you have to stays. Okay, number 5, sitting stays between two sijda. After finishing two sijda, you have to sit. Number 6, reciting tashahud after second rakat. Okay, after second rakat, we have to recite tashahud. At-tahiyyatullah, salawatu wa tayyibatu, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. That way we will recite. Okay. Within salat, with 3 for rukus. Within salat, 3 or 4 rakats. Okay. Number 7, reciting tashahud at least sitting by salat. You have to tashahud by sitting. Okay. Number 8, in first 2 rakats of maghrib and isha salat and salat of fajr, Jummah and 2 Eids, imam is to recite the Quran loudly and other salat silent. Okay, what will I know here? 2 rakat of maghrib and isha, salat of fajr, Jummah, 2 Eids, imam recite the Holy Quran loudly. Okay, but in other salat will pronounce silently. Okay. Now we'll see next number 9. Okay, number 9, to recite dua kunut in beter salat. Okay, we know I recite beter salat the first time. Okay, to recite dua kunut in Beter Salat. Okay. Now we see to say the additional 6 takbirs in Salat up to its additional takbir, that means extra takbir. You want another 5 times salat, you want this takbir use only, we will use 6 takbir in each salat. Okay. Number 11, to stay in ruku and sajda position at least for one tasbih. Okay, one tasbih, that means subhana rabbiyal azim. Okay, this duration time. Number 12, to offer a sajda in addition to normal sajda when sajda becomes compulsory for some ayat of the Holy Quran. There are 14 places ayat where his sajda is to be offered if heard or recited on has to offer a sajda. Okay, you have a show sajda you will get in the Holy Quran. When you recite, you have to show sajda. But when you recite performing salat, if you recite this ayat, you have to show sajda. Okay, what I get in the Salatul Taraweeh. Okay, in the holy month of Ramadan. Okay, number 13. Number 13 to include it salat by offering salam, saying assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Okay, you will finish his salat by saying assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Number 14, to give show sajda if any wajib is dropped by mistake. By unfortunately, if any wajib drop by mistake, you have to show sajda. Okay, be careful. Next we will know show sajda. Show sajda, that means bhule sajda. Show means mistake, underline, it is very very important. Show means shahu means mistake, to mistake. Okay, if any sort of small mistakes place in the salat, then a sajda is offered for correcting that mistake. Okay, so if we will can mistake wajib, as if you mistake first won't be your salat, but if mistake wajib, you have to show sajda, that will be fulfill your salat. Okay, sajda is called show sajda. Show sajda, that means bhuler sajda. Okay, for being a wrong salat. Okay, underline for okay. Next, we have learned before that salat is not perfect if any wajib items of salat is dropped. If it takes place by mistake, sajda show is to be offered. Rules of offering show sajda. Now will I know it last paragraph. Rules of offering sajda. We shall recite tashahud at the last rakat of salat, then we shall go. It is very very important, underline what the rules of reciting shows is the tashahud last rakat of salat, then we shall go to two sajda after performing. How we will get which sajda? Two sajda. Okay, two sajda offering only one salam and right side saying. Okay, after right saying finishing offering salam, we will give show sajda. Okay, Allahu Akbar. After that shall will complete the salat by offering salam to right and left side. Okay, then after we will recite Tasawwud Rushid wa Masura. Then I will finish by saying assalamu alaikum right side and left side assalamu alaikum. Okay, no problem. Today is no more. Your HW is you will memorize ahkam and arkam of salah. You will memorize arkan 7 times, arkan and ahkam, and wajib 14 wajib. Okay, memorize and you will write. Okay, it is your HW. Okay, today is no more. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.